But everybody's given it their best shot. And as of today, we just simply do not have 50 senators who can agree on what ought to replace the existing law. What we do have is a vote that many of us made 2 years ago at a time when the President of the United States would not sign the legislation that would repeal Obamacare and with a 2-year delay give us an opportunity to build something better on a bipartisan basis. That's what I sense most of our members would like to vote on now, and we'll be doing that in the near future.
No, I'm for a vote that succeeds, and I think those Republicans who promised to repeal Obamacare ought to vote the same way they voted in 2015. If you're not willing to vote the same way you voted in 2015, then you need to go back home and you need to explain to Republicans why you're no longer for repealing Obamacare.
Evidently, President Trump is proposing a different path. He wants to throw up his hands rather than roll up his sleeves to work with us and solve the problem. But let's be very clear about what the President is proposing and where his path would lead. The President would not be, quote, letting Obamacare collapse. He is actively trying to undermine the health care system in this country, using millions of Americans as political pawns in a cynical game. By continuing to deny the insurance markets their certainty that they need to function, the President is playing a dangerous game with the health care of this country.